over here at Vlissingen. So I just opened my covers. I had them closed at sea. Oké. Verkeerscentrale Vlissingen, Lady Liselot.
Lady Liselot, staat dus zo.
Ik ben voornemens om naar binnen te varen. Kan ik dat op dit kanaal ook regelen of moet ik dan eventjes naar 21?
Lady Liselot, de haven zelf is kanaal 9 en dan de sluis die nu daar doorheen gaat, staat op kanaal 18.
Oké, en dan meld ik me even bij kanaal 9 en ik ga inderdaad door de sluis. Dank u wel, fijne wacht verder. 9. Poortcontrole Vlissingen, Lady Liselot.
Afdicht Vlissingen, goeiedag.
Een hele goede morgen. Ik kom vanuit het westen op 500 meter afstand van de ingang en ik wil graag naar binnen.
Dat is beneden, dank u wel.
Alright. If you have seen my video where I enter Terneuzen, I was almost at the entrance and then I switched VHF channel from Terneuzen approach to the locks. And the operator of Terneuzen approach became angry with me because I only was allowed to call the locks the moment that I was in the harbor. Yes, sir. Sluis Vlissingen, Lady Liselot.
Sluis Vlissingen, goedemorgen.
Ja, een hele goede morgen zeg. Allereerst de allerbeste wensen. Ik kom van buiten en ik wil graag naar binnen. Wanneer kan dat?
Ja, super. Allerbeste wensen ook voor u nog. Ik kom met de tweede sluis naar de buitenkant voor u.
Oké, dat is goed. En is dat stuurboord of bakboord voor mij, de kleine sluis?
Voor u over een stuurboord.
Oké, dankjewel.
Tenminste, hoe breed bent u?
Ik ben slechts 4,30 meter.
Dat is dan makkelijk in die wijnsluis.
And my sister is living over here in Vlissingen. But unfortunately she had a very busy schedule for today and tomorrow. So she is not able to meet. Well, but we had some contact via the app. And the moment that I passed her apartment building, we waved. Okay, let's go to position 5 on starboard. Oh, nasty, 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 nasty. I will tell you why, because they have wooden blocks in the water over here. Ah. And my fenders are not as thick as the wooden blocks. There's hardly any wind, but always in a lock the boat reacts funny. So this is what we call a touchdown. I have no idea what the distance is between outside and inside. The doors are towards the pressure, and they are looking like this now. So the pressure is on this side, so that means that it is lower on that side. Yes, as you can see, we dropped I know, I still have my middle line out, I know, but I will position the boat a little bit in the middle. So, yeah, green lights, off we go. Rudder midship. So I can maneuver with both engines. No need to steer. And we will sail close to the super yachts that they built at Damen Yachting over here. Hello sir, I love your boat. This boat is called Energy. And the other one is called Bikini. Well, white does not suit me well, otherwise I would like to have that bikini. And I don't care that people laugh about me, about my bikini. So now we are heading towards the canal. I will slow down, keep the autopilot on this course and store the fenders. Okie-do, okie-do, okie-do. Stand by. And here we have a bridge, and what is the name of that bridge? Keersluisbrug. Yeah. And it sounds sluis, sounds like lock, but there is no lock, the lock is open. Okay, we go to 22. Keersluisbrug, Lady Liselot. Ja, een hele goede morgen mevrouw. Ik ben net door de sluis gekomen en mijn eindbestemming is Veren. Mijn vrije doorvaarthoogte is 5,50 meter.
Ja, goed begrepen meneer. We gaan voor u draaien op 12,42.
Oké, ik leg hem tegen het kantje. 12,42, dankjewel.
Dank u wel, tot zo.
So, it is 11:35. I thought that I did not need my fenders. Guess what? We need them. I see some mooring facilities on port side, and the Yeti on the starboard side has a sign: no waiting pontoon for the bridge. So I will turn the boat. We have the wind on the bow right now, so I will bring one line out on the bow and that's it. Well, besides the middle board, of course. Moored and ready. We have to wait 1 hour. And since we are not at sea anymore, coffee is allowed. Whew. Coffee time. Yes. And whilst I will have my coffee, I also must say goodbye to you, because this is the end of the film. Mooring next to the Keersluis Bridge in Vlissingen. I would say thank you very much for joining me in this video. If you liked it, please give me the thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do so, because it is an enormous help of the channel. For now, I would say see you in the next video. Alright then, bye bye. Oh.